A Norfolk woman got the surprise of her life when she washed her grandmother in the washing machine. Now, it's not what you think.
I actually don't know how this has happened, but I've just washed me nan.
The 30-year-old Brit kept her grandmother's ashes in a small black bag in her drawer in her bedroom. It seems as though her cat had gotten into the drawer and somehow dragged the bag into the laundry basket. Luckily, it must have been an airtight bag, because the ashes themselves were not damaged or destroyed. But my question is, who the hell keeps their grandmother's ashes in their drawer in their bedroom? I mean, did you even like your nan? I mean, it's not a bag of weed. Now, I'm not sure how they do things over there in Britain, but I've seen crackheads keep their crack in better containers.